In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare business view versus accountant view in QuickBooks Online. To start, open your QuickBooks Online company file and look toward the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see the small gear icon, which is your main settings menu. Click that gear icon, and in the menu that appears, look for the option that lets you switch between views. Depending on which layout you're currently using, it will either say switch from business view to accountant view or switch from accountant view to business view. Go ahead and click that option to move back and forth as we walk through the differences. Let's talk about business view first. Business view is designed for beginners or for people who don't want to deal with technical accounting language. If you're a small business owner or someone who just wants to keep things simple, this is usually the best place to start. The menu labels use everyday terms instead of accounting jargon. For example, instead of separate sales and expenses sections, you might see something like Get Paid and Pay, which combines those ideas into a single, more intuitive area. When you're in Business View, take a look at your dashboard. One of the key features here is the cash flow chart. This gives you a visual overview of money coming in and going out over time, making it easier to quickly understand how your business is doing without digging into detailed reports. For your bank feeds, Business View uses the Transactions tab, where you'll review and categorize the activity coming in from your connected bank and credit card accounts. Now let's switch over to Accountant View using that same gear icon. Accountant View is built for experienced accountants or users who want more precise control and access to advanced features. You'll notice right away that the menu labels change to more traditional accounting terms. You'll see items like Chart of Accounts, Accounting, and Reconcile, which line up closely with standard bookkeeping workflows. On the dashboard in Accountant View, you won't see the same cash flow chart that appears in Business View. This layout focuses less on visuals and more on giving quick access to detailed tools and data. For banking, you'll still use the Transactions area to access your bank feed, but the layout is a bit more technical. Your accounts are listed across the top, making it easy to switch between them and manage each one individually. By switching between these two views, you can choose the interface that best matches your comfort level and the way you like to work in QuickBooks Online.